Here I have HTC U11 and let me show you how to enter show barcodes mode on the following device. So at first let's start by holding a power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds, keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as download mode pops up on the screen. Here you can choose system info, for example. You can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm by pressing power key. So let's choose system info. Here we've got the serial number and the IMEI number. Let's press power key to go back. And you may also, as I said, you can choose show barcode. So let's scroll down to show barcode and let's press power key to choose it. And the barcodes with the IMEI, serial number and MB just pops up in front of you, so you can use them, or you can simply quit by pressing power key. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either reboot or power down. Let me choose reboot, press power key to confirm it, and now the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, now you can use your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.